So when you're thinking about starting a business and you're putting money aside for your capital. So let's say, for example, your capital to invest in your business, to start your business, is about $1,000. You did the math. Your tools are gonna cost this much, your supplies this much, your license, everything is gonna keep you afloat only for $1,000, right? Keep in mind that in business, there's gonna be times where you don't know when your next income will come, right? So I would set aside, I would triple your capital. So if your capital is $1,000, I would at least have $3,000, because with my pool cleaning business, my capital was, let's say, my capital was about $5,000-6,000, right? And all the tools that I needed was only about $1,000 to $1,500, right? But fast forward to a month in, and I'm almost finished with my capital. I've already spent like $4,000 to $5,000, and it's just crazy to think about. So keep in mind, more is always better in capital wise, okay?